In the land of the rising sun, where dreams come true, there's a magical world waiting just for you. Just for you. With Gacha capsule toys, so colorful and bright, unlocking joy and wonder day and night. Gacha, gacha, come and play. Kawaii treasures every day. Get them all as your reward. From Japan, let's explore. Gacha, gacha, can't resist. Grab a coin and make a wish. Capsule toys so cute and small. Gacha adventures for us all. In the land of the rising sun, where dreams come true, there's a magical world waiting just for you. Just for you. With Gacha, gacha, come and play. Kawaii treasures every day. Get them all is your reward. From Japan, let's explore. Gacha, gacha, can't resist. Grab a coin and make a wish. Capsule toys so cute and small. Gacha adventures for us all. In the bustling streets of Tokyo town, Gacha capsules spin round and round. From Akihabara to Harajuku streets, every pool brings a new treat. Capsule world to explore. From robots to kittens, there's always more. With every spin, a chance to find a piece of happiness, one of a kind. Gacha, gacha, come and play. Come and play. Kawaii treasures every day. Get them all as your reward. From Japan, let's explore. Gacha, gacha, can't resist. Gacha, gacha, can't resist. Grab a coin and make a wish. Capsule toys so cute and small. Gacha adventures for us all. Gacha adventures for us all. Under cherry blossoms, we dance and sing. In the world of Gacha, joy takes wing. From traditional charms to modern flair, Gacha surprises fill the air. Gacha can't resist. Grab a coin and make a wish. Capsule toys, so cute and small. In Gacha adventures for us all. Under cherry blossoms, we dance and sing. In the world of Gacha, joy takes wing. Gacha, gacha, can't resist. Grab a coin and make a wish. Capsule toys, so cute and small. Gacha adventures for us all. Through seasons changing and years gone by, in Gacha capsules our dreams do fly. With every pull a world we see. In the magic of Gacha we're wild and free. From the depths of the sea, the stars above, Gacha surprises, fill us with love. In every corner, a treasure to find in the world of Gacha. Our hearts entwine in each little capsule, a journey untold of heroes, feelings, and Gacha capsule stories unfold, from samurai tales to geisha grace. Every gacha find a cherished embrace. In each new capsule journey untold, legends, myths, and tales unfold. Every spin a new adventure begins, in the land of gacha where happiness wins. Gacha, gacha, come and play. Buy treasures every day. Get them all as your reward. One Japan, let's explore. Gacha, gacha, can't resist. Grab a coin and make a wish. Capsule toys, so cute and small. Gacha adventures for us all. Beneath the sakura, dreams take flight. Gacha surprises, a wondrous sight. From tea ceremonies to bonsai trees, every gacha toy, a moment to see. In each little capsule, a culture to see. From ancient traditions to modern spree, with every twist a glimpse of delight. In the world of gacha where every piece bright. Gacha, gacha, come and play. Come and kawaii treasures, everything's bright. Gacha, gacha, come and play. Buy treasures every day. All as your reward. One Japan, let's explore. Gacha, gacha, can't resist. Grab a coin and make a wish. Capsule toys, so cute and small. Gacha adventures for us all. In temples serene, we find our peace. In the world of gacha, worry cease with every pull. A moment divine in the magic of gacha, where dreams intertwine. From neon lights to tranquil shores, gacha surprises our hearts adore. In every city, a gacha machine, a gateway to joy, a world serene. In gacha, gacha, come and play. Buy treasures every day. All as your reward. Japan, let's explore. Let's explore. Gacha can't resist. Grab a coin and make a wish. Capsule toys, so cute and small. Gacha adventures for us all. So let's keep spinning hand in hand. In the world of gacha where dreams expand. For we need treasures our love extends. In the gacha world where happiness transcends. Walking down the street with a skip in my beat. Got my gacha capsule in my hand, feeling super neat. Open it up, what's inside? Can't wait to see. A little toy surprise, it's pure ecstasy. Gacha fever, it's a thrill I can't resist. Gotta catch 'em all, like a treasure hunter in an endless mist. Spinning that colorful wheel, every little toy I get's a joyful squeal. Making videos of my gacha loot, sharing with the world, it's a social pursuit. From cute little characters to outfits so divine, gacha life is a world of endless designs. Gacha dreams unfold. Every capsule tells a story, a tale yet untold. From Tokyo's neon lights to Kyoto's ancient grace, Gacha fever spreads its wings in every corner, every place. The seasons changing, our love for Gacha remains. In spring's cherry blossoms and winter's icy domains. With every capsule open, a piece of Japan we find. Gacha fever binds us, heart and mind, lost in the rhythm of each Gacha spin. A world of wonder drawing us in, with every treasure a new adventure starts. In Gacha wonderland, our spirits never depart. Every little toy I get brings a joyful squeal. In the digital realm, Gacha takes flight. Online communities shining bright. From virtual worlds to authentic scenes, Gacha fever transcends